The big card went to Howard. All right. Big P finishing off box 5, box 9, high tech. Boom. Boom. I mean, you would think there's got to be something beautiful coming. Is that a redemption? What is that? A redemption? Yeah, you got a redemption. That's a good thing. Well, crap. Let's just pull everything to the front. That could be Chris Bryant coming up. Alex Gordon, purple. Craig Biggio, circuit board. Bernie Williams, spiral. Freddie Freeman, grass. Dustin Pedroia, grass. Cal Ripken, title. Ozzie Smith, dots. And high-tech autograph clouds parallel. Oh, boy. Chris Bryant. High-tech auto clouds. What's that going to be numbered to? Chris Bryant clouds rookie autograph. Ooh, we knew something was coming. We knew something was coming. Congrats, Big P. Killer, man. And you got another solid one here. Micah Johnson, circuit board rookie. Steven Moya, spiral rookie. Dilson Herrera, grass rookie. Omar Vizquel, title. Roger Clemens, dots. Edwin Encarnacion, tsunami, number to 75. Robinson Cano, I forget what this one's called. It's like crazy all over the place. And Jorge Soler, rookie autograph. So Big P, you chased it and you got it.